Wouldn't it be great if you could lose weight in just one drink? Believe it or not, this drink is very easy to make and has been shown to have short-term benefits when consumed consistently. Just 1 glass of this juice before bed can reduce fat levels, especially belly fat. Drink it every night and do cardio for 30 minutes after waking up and you'll see improvement in just a few days. It's not uncommon for fat to accumulate while you sleep. Why? Because when you go to sleep your body doesn't break down materials as fast. The ingredients in this drink will help your body break down materials faster so that it will continue burning fat while you sleep. How is this possible? Because the ingredients in this drink are all shown to speed up the metabolism, so when you drink it before you go to bed your body keeps breaking things down quickly. Cucumbers are very good for fighting fat. They are an important part of any weight loss plan. 1 cucumber has just 45 calories and they are full of fiber and water, 2 things that are important for burning fat, plus they are very cooling and give this drink a great taste. Parsley and cilantro are very low in calories and they are both full of antioxidants as well as vitamins and minerals that are very good for easing water that is stored up. Therefore they are good for flattening a blown-up stomach. Ginger helps the body break down materials faster and stops constipation, 2 things that are very powerful for fighting off that belly fat you don't want. This ingredient will help burn off fat while you sleep. Lemon juice is good for flushing out toxins that have built up in the body. When you drink lemon juice you will be able to get rid of body fat and you will also feel a whole lot better because the toxins that have built up in your system will be cleaned out. Another thing that's good for weight loss is aloe vera juice. It is full of antioxidants and helps block free radicals, which leads to swelling and bloating. This juice also helps boost how fast your body breaks down materials, which can help lower your body mass index. Sip this healthy drink before bed and you'll wake up feeling lighter and more energetic. With these simple ingredients which you can pick up at your grocery store you can make this weight loss drink in no time. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, 1/2 glass of water. Preparation: add the ingredients together, blend well in a blender and drink a glass of the juice before bed. If you want more recipes, tips, and like the video, please give it a thumbs up and